On this video today, I'm going to be showing you another strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, I've earned $43,586 since this account was created in late 2021. So when you scroll down here, you can see that in the past week I've earned $2,345. So I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make sales with affiliate marketing. You can use this strategy on Digistore24, you can use this strategy on ClickBank, you can use it on any affiliate network that you've joined. You can even use this method to make money if you're a beginner. So what you need to do is that you have to follow all the steps in this video so that you get all the details that you need to know so that you can use this method to make money from home. This is a simple strategy. You don't need any skills, you don't need any investment. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. What you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, these are categories of products that you can select. So when you click on any of these categories, you are going to get products to promote. So all the categories, they work with this method, but for the sake of this video, I am going to select one of these categories. So I'm going to select business and investment. So that is the category that I'm going to be using in this video. Once you click on business and investment, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, there's a product here. You can see this product owner is giving you 50% commission, and as you can see, you are going to earn up to $258 per sale. So as you can see right here, so when you scroll, there are a lot of products here that you can promote. So we are going to be promoting this particular product in this particular tutorial. So this is the product that you can earn a lot of money when you promote, because as you can see, the commission is very high. So once you get a product, the next thing is that you are going to come right here and click on the sales page. So as you can see, this is how the sales page looks like. So this is the first page that the customer is going to see before they purchase the product for you to earn a commission. As you can see it right here. So as you can see, this sales page has a lot of information. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different information with pictures. So this is a good product that you can promote to earn money with Digistore24. So right now, what we are going to do is that we are going to convert this particular sales page into a PDF so that we can share it with others. So when they read the sales page, they can click through an affiliate link and then make a purchase. So you are going to come to this website, web to PDFs. So once you come here, you are going to copy the URL of the sales page of the product. So as you can see here, so once you copy it, you are going to come right here and then you are going to paste the URL of the sales page right here. Once you paste it here, you're going to click on convert, and this particular sales page is going to be converted to a PDF, as you can see right here. As you can see, the sales page has finished converting into a PDF. So you are going to come right here and then click on download so that you can download it onto your PC. So as you can see, you are going to download it right here. So once you download the PDF document, you are going to open it. As you can see right here, this is the PDF document. So let me scroll down for you to see. As you can see, this is the sales page that we converted. So what you are going to do is that you are going to share this PDF document to people so that when they read this particular document, they will then purchase the product for you to earn a commission. Don't share the PDF like this. Make sure you always insert your affiliate link before you share the PDF. If you share it without your affiliate link, when people read it, they will not take action and you are not going to earn any money. So the next thing is that you are going to come to this website. As you can see, seda.com. So this website allows you to edit PDF documents. So you are going to upload the document here and then edit it so that you can insert your affiliate links in the document. So we are going to upload the PDF file right here. As you can see, when you scroll, you are going to see the document right here. As you can see, so the first thing is that you are going to scroll to the bottom of the PDF file. When you come to the bottom of your document, you can see that there is a call to action here that contains a link. So this is not your affiliate link, and what you are going to do is that you are going to edit this link and then insert your own affiliate link right here. So what you are going to do, you are just going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to delete this particular link. So once you delete the link, we are going to go back to Digistore24 and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it here. So we are going to come back to Digistore 24. Once you come back, we are going to come right here and then copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come right here and then paste it here, as you can see. So you are going to paste it here. So once you paste it here, always make sure that your name is at the end of the link. So that means that is your affiliate link. Once you paste your link here, the next thing is that you are going to click on enter. Now this particular call to action is now linked to your affiliate link. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll through the document and then find all the links and change them to your affiliate links. So you are going to insert your affiliate links in all the call to action in the document. So when you come here, you can see there's another call to action here, and what you are going to do is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So once you click on it, you are going to delete their link. Once you delete their link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to press on enter, and that call to action is also linked to your affiliate link. So go through all the documents and then insert your affiliate links in every call to action that you find in this particular document. Another way is that you are going to also write a call to action here, so that when people read this document, they can click through the affiliate link and then buy the product. So you are going to come right here, click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to come here and then paste it at the bottom of any page that you want to insert your affiliate link. So you are going to type something like click here to get instant access. So once you've done that, you are going to highlight it and make it bold a little bit. So we are going to make it bold. We are going to change the color to red. So once you change the font color, the next thing is that you are going to increase the font size. So you are going to come right here, click on it, and you can drag this to increase the font size. As you can see, the font size has been increased. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come here and click on link. Once you click on link, you are going to highlight the whole of this text. So once you highlight it, you are going to insert your affiliate link right here, as you can see. So you are going to go back to Digistore 24. Once you come back, you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to paste it right here, as you can see. You are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, you are going to click on enter. So once you click on enter, this particular call to action is now linked to your affiliate link. So anytime people read this document and click through this particular call to action, they are going to be directed to your affiliate product, and when they make a purchase, you earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to insert a call to actions like this in the entire document, so that as people read, they'll be seeing your call to action and they will click through. Once you insert your link in the document, the next thing is that you're going to click on apply changes. So once you click on apply changes, you can see this is the PDF file that we have edited. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on download, so that you can save this document onto your PC. So once you save the document onto your PC, the next thing is that you are going to begin sharing this document to people, so that when they read, they can click through your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website, pdfcoffee.com. On this website, they allow you to upload PDF files for free. So as you can see on this website, you are going to get a lot of views. As you can see, this document has got over 3 million views. You can see another one over 3 million views. You can see another one over 1 million views. You can see another one over 1 million views. And as I scroll, you can see many documents which are getting a lot of views. As you can see here, over 800,000 views. You can see over 900,000 views. You can see over 800,000 views, over 400,000 views. And as I scroll, you can see documents are getting a lot of views here. So when you upload your document on this particular platform, you are going to get a lot of people to read your document, and as they read, they are going to click through your call to action. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create an account, and it's free to create an account. It doesn't matter your location, wherever you are, you can create an account with this particular website. So once you create an account and log in, you are going to come right here, click on add a story. So once you click on add a story, the next thing is that you are going to upload your file here. So what you are going to do is that you are first of all going to give a title and then the description, and you are going to upload the file right here. You are now going to begin filling the details. So you are going to come here and then paste the title of your document right here. As you can see, Bitcoin mastering, quickly learn how Bitcoin works and how to invest. So you are going to give a catchy title like this, so that you can get people to read your PDF document. So the next thing is that you are going to add a description right here. So as you can see, I'm going to paste a description here for you to see. You're going to paste a description like this, and as I scroll, you can see this is my description, a complete beginner's guide to Bitcoin. So the product is about cryptocurrency. So as you can see, it's a beginner's guide. So you are going to write a short description like this. As you can see, once you've written your description, the next thing is that you are going to upload the main PDF file right here. So you are going to click on browse, and you can now upload the PDF file onto this website. And now as you can see, the document has been uploaded, and the next thing is that you're going to click on I accept the terms of service. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I am not a robot. So once you click on that, you are going to click on publish, so that your book can go live on this particular website. As you can see, your story has been published success. So the document is now live on this particular website. As you can see it right here. As you can see, Bitcoin Mastery, quickly learn how Bitcoin works and how to invest. So you can share your document to people so that they will read it. You can edit it if you have any information that you want to add. So as you can see, the document is live on this particular website. And that is not all. You can also share the same PDF file on this website, slideshare.net. So this is a popular website that you can also upload your PDF document that will get you millions of views. As you can see, this particular document has got over 6 million views. You can see another one over 1 million views. You can see another one over 2 million views. When you scroll down, you can see many documents and they are getting a lot of views. So what you are going to do is that you are also going to create an account on this particular website, and then you are going to upload the same PDF file here, and you are going to be getting traffic onto your affiliate link, and that will convert to sales, and you are going to earn money on Store24. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.